You're sitting on $168 billion of cash, which you told us today is now more than $182 billion. His questions are, one, what is Buffett waiting for? And two, why not at least deploy some of it?
Well, I think that's pretty easy to answer. I don't think anybody sitting at this table has any idea of how to use it effectively, and therefore we don't use it, and we don't use it now at 5.4%, but we wouldn't use it if it was at 1%. Don't tell the Federal Reserve that. We only swing at pitches we like, and if anybody tried to swing at every pitch, or felt that because they hadn't swung at a pitch for the last two pitches, they ought to swing at the third one or something like that. There are times, and obviously, but I would say this: I would not like to be running 10 billion now. 10 million, I think Charlie or I could earn high returns on, because I think there are just a few things that happen on a very, very small scale. If we had 10 billion, I wouldn't basically see many more opportunities than we found. Now, it's true that something like Japan we could have done if the company had a 30 or 40 billion, and we'd have had great returns on equity. But if I saw one of those now, I'd do it for Berkshire. It isn't like I'm got a hunger strike or something like that going on. It's just that things aren't attractive, and there's certain ways that can change, and we'll